Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Aries Placements. This is your sabihin nating energy checkings. Oo. Ngayong August for you. So, kung anong ating makita, edi yun ang ating babasahin. So, gawin yung gabay, no? Gawin yung prediction, gawin yung mensahe. So, yun po, no? So, again, yes, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And, syempre, again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, yeah, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po, pagdating po sa ating mga items. So, yes, they're all available. So, andito sila. Okay, so, yes, meron tayong mga protection from evil eye. So, we do have ring. So, yung ring natin is ganyan. This is adjustable po, yung ring. And, syempre, yung ating dalawang sample ng evil eye protection bracelet. So, ito sila. Okay, isang garterize. Ito yung garterize. Ganyan po yung kanyang pendant. Okay, and yung ating adjustable. Yung adjustable natin is available po sa red string. Okay, so ganyan siya. Meron siyang 5 colors ng evil eye protection na sinasabi. And meron po itong ayan, initial po na magmamayari ang ilalagay, no? And yes, yung atin pong napakaganda at na simple pero kabog, yung ating evil eye necklace protection. Ang ganda niyan. Okay, ganyan po siya, So, itong ating necklace is unisex. Meron po siyang blue stone doon sa kanyang center, as you can see. Okay, hindi nga lang talagang makita sa ating camera dahil hindi gaano kagandahan ang ating camera. So, next is yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet with citrine stone po. Okay, with citrine stone. So, ito po is merong dalang what? Prosperity, abundance. Okay, ganyan po wealth. So, yun po kasi ang dala ng mga citrine stone. Kaya po, yes, inilalagay din sa mga jewelries. Mapapansin nyo sa mga business owners. Merong kulay, ang tawag ito, kulay madilaw-dilaw na stone. Mapapansin nyo. Yun. So, yes, naglagay tayo dito. Okay, mga sample. Hindi po ito lahat, Naglagay ako dito. Yan, naglalagay ako. Okay, so yan pa. Ito pa. Andito pa sa dulo. Yan. Okay, so yan po, And again, kung lalaki ka, pwede mo naman gamitin ito kasi charm to no? Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Ang ganda nito. In person, talaga. So, parang nakaka-magnet. Connection, magandang business opportunities, so sales, customers, yan. Okay? And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter po, Si granter, taga-grant po, ng inyong mga minamanifest. And, tagapagbigay ng surprises weekly. Okay? And, ito, sabihin natin, at least 2. Okay? Twice per week. So, kung mabubuo natin yung sa loob ng isang buwan, meron tayong 8. No, meron tayong 8 na surprise na pwedeng makuha dito kay granter. Aside po sa mina-manifest ninyo. Okay? So, made to order ang ating granter necklace. Ganyan po siya, Front and back. Okay? Ganyan po talaga yung design niya. Parang meron ditong yellow. Okay? So, next, yung ating cord cut. Ang ganda nito. Makikita nyo, meron yung mga rose stone sa likod. Okay, hindi lang po yung nandyan, Okay, may mga stone yan. Okay, yan, May iba't ibang stone. Hindi ko na isa-isahin. Anyway, so, ang kanyang job description is alisin yung mga alat at nagbibigay MALAS sa'yo. Okay, yun po ang combo. Ito and ito. Yan. Okay, so again, kung meron pa pong tanong message na lang po. And syempre yung ating cleansing kit. Okay, yung cleansing kit natin is merong kasamang white sage and selenite crystal. So si selenite po is yun yung parang charger ng ating mga charms and crystals. Okay? Pwede mo siyang gamitin lalo na kung tingin mo is nahawakan siya. Ayan, mga ganyan. Nahawakan siya na ibang tao. Tawag dito, napansin siya, nabati siya na ibang tao, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, tabi mo lang kay selenite overnight. Okay? So, the next day, okay na siya ulit. Okay? And, pausukan nyo nung white sage. Okay po. So, again, tayo ay mag-start na. Okay, the reading starts at 6:07. So, what's for you? Aries placement. So, what is for you ngayong August? So, in general po, titingnan natin anong meron for you. Aries. Okay. Aries. The world. Okay. The world. Some of you, this could be an energy of travel. Okay. Completion for some of you. Let's see what's with that world. The Four of Pentacles. Iba magkakaroon ng plano pagdating sa travel, mag-iipon, mga ganyan. Okay? Meron ako nakikita dito yung energy ng pwedeng talagang ang focus is pagdating sa pag-iipon. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung anong ibig sabihin, kung anong meron, kung ano ang pag-iipunan. So, specifically, some of you, pwedeng sa travel. Okay? I'm hearing for visa. Parang ganyan. Visa. So, what else? Meron pong opportunity na kailangan yung i-grab ngayong August. Okay? And I think ang dala nito is changes. Yeah. So, the Knight of Cups. So, there's this water sign coming in with their love offer. Some of you, pwedeng taga-malayo ito. Some of you, pwedeng foreigner. Oo. Okay? So, pwedeng hindi kayo magkalahi. Oo. Magkarelihiyon. Mga ganyan. So, ano tong Knight of Cups? The Five of Swords. Ay, okay. I'm getting at least two energies coming in ngayong August. Okay? And I think this is regarding or under love connections. Okay? Iba kasi dito ang nakukuha ko is like maguguluhan. Okay? Like sino ang pipiliin ko. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? So, what's with this Five of Swords for Aries? Yeah, the King of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. Sabi ko sa'yo, at least two. So, there's two people. Isang water sign and isang Capricorn. Okay, yung isa, pwede sabihin nating may ganito, may pera. They're not broke. Actually, hindi sila broke. Hindi sila liabilities. Pero yun nga lang, ang nakikita ko, mas sabihin nating maguguluhan ka kasi mas gugustuhin mo yung isa. Pero, mas gugustuhin mo yun yung may pera. Pero, hindi sila masyadong nagfo-focus or nagbibigay ng oras or whatsoever pagdating sa'yo. Pero yung isa, more on, sabihin nating action. Younger. Okay, younger. Yung isa. Pero more on action siya. Yung isa naman na pwedeng ginugusto mo, sabihin nating mas matanda. Or sabihin natin kaedad mo. Anyway, that's too specific na. Detailed, diba? So, what else? What else? Be careful sa isang love offer. Okay? This is specific. Ang nakikita ko kasi, it's like, pwedeng makaka-distract sa'yo itong taong to, lalo na pagdating po sa pamemera mo. Okay? Ayaw natin nun. Okay, kung love ang parating, gusto ko hindi makaka-distract sa pamemera, mga ganyan, no? So, what else for Aries? The Queen of Pentacles. What's with that Queen of Pentacles? The Ten of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you, ikaw itong parang ang tawag dito, gagastusan mo nanay mo, tatay mo, specific yon. Okay? Yung iba naman, gagastos ka pagdating sa'yo. Okay? And I'm hearing about your health. About your health. Okay? I don't know. Some of you, ikaw itong pwedeng magpupunta sa gym, magkakaroon or mag-apply ng membership sa gym, mga ganung bagay. Okay? Mga ganyan. So, yeah. Being healthy siguro, having balance pagdating sa health, sa mga ginagawa everyday, para magkakaroon ng fitness pagdating sa iba sa inyo. I'm hearing some of you will sabihin natin andun yung word na parang kung anong gusto mong weight, is pwedeng makuha mo ngayong August. Okay? Kung gusto mong bigat ng timbang or magpagaan sa timbang, yan. Okay? So, yun po, no? Okay. So, tayo tumungo. Pagdating naman sa person na iniisip mo. Okay. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, madalian lang. Checkings lang. The person on your mind. Aries. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? The Six of Swords in reversed. What's with that? Six of Swords in reversed. I don't know why reversed. The Six of Swords. Oh my gosh. What's with that Six of Swords? Okay. The Four of Cups. The Lovers. Namimiss mo or namimiss ka ng taong to. Some of you magkalayo kayo ngayon. Okay? Magkalayo. Iba pwedeng nagtatrabaho or nagtatrabaho sa malayo, mga ganyan. Merong mas mga may inuuna. I think meron ditong distansya pagdating sa physical distance. Check. Parang ganon. Okay? So, yeah, the Three of Swords. Andun yung sabihin nating sadness. Sabihin natin hindi naman totally kasi separated yung iba, pero physically. Physically. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Anyway. So, ano bang meron sa sitwasyon? Meron dito nag-overthink. The Four of Cups. See? Nag-overthink. Okay? Making fake scenarios. Mga ganyan. Kasi pwedeng, yun nga ang issue is the distance itself. Anyway, so anong kailangang malaman ng mga Aries? Anong kailangang malaman ng mga Aries sa sitwasyon ngayon? Judgment. Okay, this is sabihin natin the word judgment. So siguro iba sa atin nagja-judge, no? Sa kung anong meron, dahil syempre hindi nga natin kasama, no? Hindi natin nakikita. So iikot yung utak mo. Anyway, what's with this judgment? Enough with the cycle. Parang ganon. Enough with that trauma. Some of you needs to heal the trauma. Needs to heal in general. Yeah. The Five of Cups. So, I think, kung hindi iaalis yung mga pabalik-balik or yung sabihin nating mga pag-overthink, pag-judge natin, there's this Five of Cups here. Ano po yun? Eventually, darating yung regrets. Okay? Darating ang regrets. So, hindi kita masisisi. Oo, hindi kita masisisi. Pero, kailangan mong tulungan, no? Yung sarili mo, maybe both of you, na mag-heal sa mga trauma. Oo. Okay? Yeah. So, ano ba talaga ang emosyon? Check natin yung emosyon ng taong to na iniisip mo. Yung nasa malayo. Yung merong physical distance sa inyong dalawa. Anong meron? Emosyon niya for you. The Six of Cups in reversed. And yeah, that's the trauma. Okay? Yeah, and the Eight of Pentacles. Gusto ng taong to na talagang mawala na, hindi na masyadong pagfokusan yung mga trauma ninyo. Okay? Ang sinasabi dito, nakafocus siya sa'yo. Okay? Hindi ka niya masisisi. And yes, nandun yung takot rin kasi nung tao. Okay, nandun yung takot, nandun yung pangamba, nandun yung mga what ifs. And yun yung nagsisilbing blockage dito sa inyong connection. May chance na yun yung parang laging pagsisimula ng arguments or what. Okay, gusto ng taong ito na sabihin nating i-work out kung ano mga kailangang i-work out sa situation. Yeah. Okay? So, what is their next action towards you? Their next action. Next action. The Ten of Swords in reversed. So, and the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. So, ang sinasabi, literal, nung person mo, tama na yung mga nagbibigay lang sa atin ng walang kwentang energy. Okay? Enough with the time wasting. Parang ganon. Yeah. See, the Hierophant. Itong taong to, ang isip nito sabihin nating pa-level up. Tama na yung mga past, tama na yung mga kung anumang pinanggalingan nating sabihin nating mawala na. Okay, the past energies, dito na tayo mag-focus. Parang ganon. Okay, see? Seryoso itong taong to. Masyado lang talagang sabihin nating nasasabotahe. Okay, itong connection nyo ng mga past trauma. Lalo ikaw, Aries, yung past trauma mo. Hindi ko masisisi, syempre. Okay, pero yeah. Pag-overthink, making fake scenarios, kasi nga syempre hindi kayo magkasama. Hindi mawawala yung mga trust issues, mga ganyan. Pero, yeah, kailangan mong i-heal. Okay? Anyway, mahirap yon, oo. Pero, minsan, kailangan nating parang mag-grow. Okay? Matuto rin sa mga nangyari. And, magtiwalang muli if ever. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Swords outcome. The Five of Swords. This is stress. The Knight of Cups in reverse. Yeah, this is being trapped, stuck. Okay, andyan yung hot and cold, moody. Yan, the Ace of Swords. Ang ina-advise dito is huwag kayong mawawala ng komunikasyon sa isa't isa. Yun nga, okay, lalo na sa mga magkakahiwalay ngayon, like physical. Okay, mga nasa LDR. Huwag mawawala yung komunikasyon at yung transparency sa isa't isa. And the assurance. Yes. Yun lang din kasi yung pwedeng magbigay tulong sa isa't isa. Yeah. para hindi mag-isip ng mag-isip. You can heal each other, I think. So, there. So, may magandang advice naman. And yeah, typical na advice, no? Anyway, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. For you, Aries placements. Okay. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, let's see. Aries, they're bitter. They're sad. Taurus, they can't give you a love offer. Gemini, they're sad. Andun yung energy na parang hinahanap ka. They're longing for you, craving for you, aching for you. So, Cancer, they're trying to avoid you. Some of them, they're so sad and hindi nila ma-avoid or ma-prevent na bumalik. Okay? Some of this Cancerian. Leo, they're mad. Some of them, they're throwing you evil eye. Be careful. Protect your energy, Aries. Virgo. Okay, they want... Some of you, etong si Virgo, they felt a strong connection with you. Feeling mutual feelings with you. Parang ganun. Libra. They have blockages. A lot of blockages. They're trying to avoid you then. Some of them, they're trying to wait. I don't know what's that energy, kung bakit sila naghihintay. Some of them, pwedeng malungkot rin, no? So, Scorpio, they're a player. Sagittarius, they're trying to be more patient. Trying to be patient. Balance the situation. Capricorn, they don't like you. They don't like you. Aquarius, focusing on their career, on their finance, themselves. Like some of them, they're non-committal, acting single, if ever. Pisces, okay, some of you, there could be third party involved. Separation is here. If there's this separation, some of you, there's an third party involved. O pwedeng, another person involved. Could be a past person nung person mo. Anyway, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you. Aries placements. Yeah, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Dito. Yeah, thank you. Goodbye.